Welcome to a quick walkthrough of a one-bedroom at Heathergate. This unit is approximately 700 square feet and prices start at $759 a month. When you first walk in, you'll be in your large carpeted living room. There is a large coat closet immediately to the right of the entrance. If you turn back and head through the living room, you'll see the sliding glass door that provides tons of natural light and leads out to your own personal balcony. You'll then head back through to the dining area, and you'll find yourself in the kitchen with a full breakfast bar. Your kitchen comes with a full fridge, stove, and dishwasher. You also have plenty of cabinetry for storage. Through your kitchen is a small laundry room that has a full-size washer and dryer for you to use. Shelving has also been installed to hold your detergents. Then you'll head towards the main bedroom. The bedroom has a window that provides the room with plenty of light, as well as a large walk-in closet with tons of shelving. Finally, across from the bedroom is your full bathroom, where you have your shower, toilet, and vanity.